Hello guys, Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Family Nepal. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for new updates of our video. And if you like, please share our video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Mabuhay.
Hi guys, welcome our Family Nepal YouTube channel. I am going to showing this goat. Yeah, we have more than 20 goats. Yeah, they are going to the forest for eating the grass, and whole days and they will stay in jungle, and they will pull their stomach full, then they will return back home. Yeah, this is our jungle for and their goat, and also we are bringing grass from here. Many our farmer we are depend on this jungle. Yeah, you see, many most of the mother goat, and some of are going to become mother. They all, yeah, you see here. It's a there is the appropriate area for goat. We are promoting the goat farm. We are planning making more than 50, even 100 goat. So we have good resources for income. Yeah, you are watching. This is our jungle, our jungle area. Yeah, a very big jungle. Yeah, many our farmers, they are bringing their goat here and feeding here, and evening time they will return back their home. Yeah, usually adult male goat, they are staying home, especially for seed, and they are ready for selling that goat pussy. They are only staying home, and mother goat and other adult goat, and they always will go jungle. Looking very, they are exciting to go jungle. Yeah, and good, they are enjoying here, and they are spending their time for just like playing. They are fighting, but not real fighting. They are playing. They are enjoying in their jungle. Yeah, and they are enjoy until arrive their jungle and starting the eating the grass. Yeah, they are enjoying. You see this mother goat. Yeah, very nice and healthy mother goat. And their adult goat are looking very cute. It's exciting to go jungle. Yeah, they are making the queue and going their jungle. They have different sword. Yeah, the everything for there. Everything is jungle. Yeah, this mother goat, she's very fat. Also, she's pregnant. It will be difficult to walk nicely. So slowly, she's walking. Yeah, we are going this jungle. Wow, very nice. This jungle is source of our life. We are breathing. When we are breathing, we are taking the oxygen from there jungle. This plant tree, as well as we are getting many facilities here, like firewood, grass, and wood, making the furniture. Yeah, many things depend on jungle. Yeah, that's very good to visit in jungle and enjoy from it, guys. And we are growing this grass, especially this is good for goat. Yeah, we are cutting this grass and giving the goat, and goat their life. This grass, you see how nicely it's growing. This grass, have many grass, and this is big. They are going to become tree, small and small. This is super napier. Yeah, and this is this grass. This is nursery of Mendola grass. It is ready for planting this grass, and we are planting on the field, rice field. Yeah, we are promoting the goat farm. That's why we are planting many kind of grass here. And this grass I plant before the 1 month. This is already alive, and yeah, and going to become ready. This is miso. Yeah, miso grass. This is kimu. Yeah, very healthy for goat. This kimu grass. Yeah. This one, kimu grass. Kimu, Mendola grass, and this is super napier. Nice grass. This one very good. Growth is very nice, rapidly growing. This grass. Now see, Mendola, how nice this grass. Yeah. And earlier become the big. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so planting grass. This grass, see, this is Indo. This name Indo grass. This just cutting grass, just growing. Kimu, the goat, they are like very much this kimu. This is APTP. Yeah. This is See, this is ready for selling. Still, this is growing, but yeah, after some time it will be ready for sale. This goat, to male goat. You see, um, and the body. This is mother goat. Yeah, that is very big mother. She will give birth two kids. This, yeah, this is a small goat. Mm, they are growing rapidly. This is a buyer boca. We are getting this brother goat for seat. And this is very good for seat, and it is very rapidly growth in this goat.